When Jesus came, he was nailed to the cross. He died, he rose again, and he did that to change our lives spiritually because now we've got eternal life, right? There's something that took place in the spirit realm, and we call it the divine exchange. He took what we deserved and he gave us what he deserved. We deserved death and punishment because we were born into sin, and he gave us what Jesus deserves before God. But that's not the only thing that happened. In fact, there were other things that took place that day on the cross. The divine exchange included not only our sin being taken away, but we see how God's blessings were extended in other areas of our lives as well. Isaiah 53 says that Jesus on the cross bore our sicknesses, he carried our pains, and by his stripes we are healed. So, on the same afternoon that Jesus paid the price on the cross for you and I to enjoy that standing before God, that on that same afternoon he paid the price so that you and I can enjoy physical health as well.